Hi everyone, welcome to Decoding NEP with Makeshift. I am Sharvari. So today we are talking about teacher education, continuous professional development of teachers. So tomorrow we celebrate Teachers Day. On this occasion, it is wish you very happy Teachers Day, and we thought let's talk about the new topic. We have been talking about the curriculum and integration and how school education is going to be transformed because of the NEP. But today we are dealing with another interesting and very important topic, which is teachers. So policy gives heading as teachers, and there are subheadings as in-service teachers or teacher education, and then there is continuous professional development, career management for teachers. So today we are only dealing with continuous professional development. Dealing with the heading of teachers, the policy says that teachers shape future of our children, and it is such a noble profession that teachers are responsible for transforming lives of our children. That is true to the extent, but since we as students, I used to have a lot of respect for my teacher, but nowadays and in the past as well, if you carefully see, what is the social position of a teacher? अब बड़ी बड़ी बातों में पॉलिसी में तो लिख दिया कि टीचर्स आर नेशन बिल्डर्स एंड वो बहुत ही फ्यूचर बनाते हैं नेशन का एंड एवरीथिंग. Teaching is a noble profession, but is it coming from an assumption? It is coming from the ancient history that teachers are given a higher most degree of respect. But उसके बाद में क्या? If you see the modern history of education, then you will realize that teaching was a mass recruitment का profession. It was never really a social position of power, or it is not really a social position of respect. ये बात कहना बहुत ही difficult है मेरे लिए, because my mother has been teacher, I have been teaching, but then अगर हम सोचे कि हाँ ये बंदा तो टीचर है या फिर ये बंदी टीचर है, क्या सोशल पोजीशन होती है? आई थिंक ये टीचर्स डे पे हमें ये चीज इंट्रोस्पेक्ट जरूर करनी चाहिए कि अगर टीचर को नेशन बिल्डर का एक टैग दे दिया और वो उसकी गाड़ी पे चिपका दिया, उसकी कार पे चिपका दिया, इसका मतलब सही में आप उसको वो मानते हो या नहीं मानते हो? ये एक बहुत बेसिक और बहुत ही इमोशनल चीज है, बहुत ही सेंसिटिव चीज है हम लोगों के लिए, कि हमें इस चीज पे गौर करना चाहिए. और टीचर्स का जो पोजीशन है, टीचिंग का जो टीचिंग से रिलेटेड जो वो है एज इन पोजीशन और पावर है, और जो सोशली हम उसको परसेप्शन बोल सकते हैं कि परसेप्शन है, क्या वो चेंज होगा टीचर को एक नेशन बिल्डर बोलने से? वो हमें देखना पड़ेगा. एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री में तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें की है, लेकिन वो आध्यात्मिक गुरु के लिए की गई है. दैट इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली फॉर द मॉडर्न मीनिंग ऑफ टीचर. बट yes, there is a very good social perception with teachers. Like if you see the education systems in Finland or in Scandinavian countries, there you have something like okay, teachers को उतना आपको remunerate किया जाता है, and that is why the position is such that the social perception changes for teacher, और वहां पे उनको उतना रिस्पेक्ट भी मिलता है. क्या इंडिया में वही पोजीशन है टीचर्स की? ये बात आई थिंक इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करने जैसी है. देन आई थिंक कंटिन्यूअस प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट, जहां तक पॉलिसी बोलती है, वहां तो सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट के चांसेस दिए जाने चाहिए टीचर्स को, which is very important. And yes, there is like 50 hours का mandatory teacher training होता है. We have seen that there is a 50 hours का demand for training. What kind of training teachers get is a question. Then continuous opportunities for self-development and learn latest innovation and advances in profession. Now the multiple modes of teacher training will be adopted as the policy document says, like local, regional, state-wise, national, international, and even the online modes of teacher training will be adopted. Now, what are they saying? कि components in the training, in the continuous professional development will have pedagogies, latest pedagogies like experiential pedagogy, then there is integrated pedagogy, then there is like competency based learning pedagogy, then sports integrated, art integrated pedagogy. Superficially at the surface level, it is really good change to see that okay, teachers will be getting chance to learn experiential education, integrated education, but it is a matter of introspection that are we really saying that teachers will go through experiential education? Yes, if the system changes they will have to, but the प्रॉब्लम हियर इज कि अगर टीचर्स को बहुत ज्यादा बर्डन किया जाए बाकी चीजों के लिए, आउट ऑफ टीचिंग जॉब्स के लिए, लाइक जॉब्स विच आर नॉट रिलेटेड टू टीचिंग, क्लरिकल जॉब्स, एंड ऑल्सो इफ द क्लासरूम स्ट्रेंथ इज लाइक 60-70 स्टूडेंट्स confined in a very small space, then it becomes really difficult for a teacher to get acquainted with new pedagogies, even the technological changes, and to implement them in the classroom. So I think yes, teachers should know about innovation, teachers should know about experiential pedagogy, new changes in the pedagogy, new changes in the system, but at the same time I think being a teacher's daughter, I will say that we have to respect the position that teacher is also coming from. Like when we were when Makeshift was conducting workshops for teachers on design thinking and innovation, the first and very basic question that teachers asked us was, Sharvari, this is fine, like you are teaching us design thinking, you are teaching us about problem solving, it is great, this looks interesting, we want to implement this, but tell me something, do we have time for that? Do we have immense pressure to complete syllabus, we have immense pressure to do our other jobs, then there are so many submissions that we have to check. ठीक है, पेपर सेटिंग होती है, पेपर चेकिंग होती है, we really do not have time for all that, and yes, we need to recognize their position as well. I'm not saying it is impossible, I'm not saying ये सारी चीजें बकवास है, no, it's not, but whenever the decision related to teachers are coming, then we have to acknowledge their position, have a teacher as a member, and then take decision. Now they say in the policy document, they are saying 50 hours of teaching or 50 hours of training is also required for leadership and management of the school, and they are on leadership and management skills. Also lesson plan, pedagogical plans, and the leadership development in education sphere. Now we need to understand what is the difference between teaching and other professions, school management versus other professions. Now are we looking at teaching as a vocation or a profession? That also makes difference. And are we taking school as a noble place or as a प्रोफेशन, एज लाइक करियर डेवलप करने के लिए जो प्रोफेशन है वो अगर हम लेकर चल रहे हैं तो उसमें बहुत ही डिफरेंट प्लान्स है, डिफरेंट तरीके से काम होता है. और अगर आप गवर्नमेंट के उसमें जाए कि यार ये सरकार ने दिया हुआ है, यही चीज है जो हमें करनी है, and it is a noble profession, this is a charity, then there is very different approach. Now today's video was not just about critiquing this, और ये नहीं है कि मैं सिर्फ निगेटिव होना चाहती हूँ या फिर मैं इन चीजों को मानती नहीं हूँ, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. आई रियली वॉन्ट टीचर्स टू ग्रो एज अ प्रोफेशनल इन देयर ओन in their own roles. Like we were also thinking that we really want to inculcate this thing like design, innovation, pedagogical changes in teachers, but when we try talking to teachers it becomes really difficult to understand and for them to understand कि ये नए changes कैसे अडॉप्ट करें and this new things, how these new things will function. अगर टीचर्स को टेक्नोलॉजिकल ट्रेनिंग भी अभी तक हम लोग नहीं दे रहे थे तो फिर बात बहुत मुश्किल हो जाती है. एंड नाउ वी वांट देम टू प्रोड्यूस वीडियोस. सो दीज problems are there, problems will always remain, but for the implementation part we really need to understand things from teachers perspective. That's what I'm saying in this video. So have a very happy Teachers Day. Makeshift wishes, very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers, and we are proud of them, definitely we are, and we mean that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do subscribe us on Patreon because this work matters. This work is really different than our day-to-day jobs, and we really want to continue with this kind of work. May it be decoding the policy, may it be decoding educational documents, may it be talking about different ideas in education, or innovation for education, like innovating for education. So do support for our work. If you like our work, then I'll seriously appeal to you to support on Patreon. Link is there in the description. Thanks a lot. Happy Teachers Day. Bye bye. Take care.